Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, hello everybody. It's been a bit, eh? Well, I was gonna do a 1,000 sub giveaway. Got a little tardy on doing the deed. So what I've decided now, I'm gonna do a 1,500 sub giveaway. So it'll be a little heavier than most, or than what I had planned. So, first off, we will have this funky looking molly bar. It's 3 9s, fine, really nice pour, smooth back, and let's see which one. And this little ounce and a halfer or so Kit Kat, and of course I'll throw in a couple tiny tigers. Gotta have tiny tigers. And this bar, big bar, the molly bar, weighs 3.64 ounces. The Kit Kat weighs 1.52 ounces. And the tiny tigers are, 9-10 grams. So, we need to get some parameters figured out here. Sit down. Oh, yeah. How is everybody? This is really neat. I sat there for the longest time at 900 and some. And then Al and a couple of his buddies, they jumped right on that. And by the time 2 or 3 days had passed, that was over 1,000. Then came the Yankee box. And a little deal I'm working on with 3 tips. All very, very exciting. Anyways, I'm over 1,500 now, and I have to thank you all so much. You folks really, you're so much fun. I just, I'm just beside myself happy. So, let's get some rules happening here. The rules for this giveaway will be: say hello. You must be an open subscriber of mine. You must be 18 or whatever is legal in your state or province. You must make a comment on this video. The cutoff will be February 1st, 2020, so last month. And you must email me within a week of winning. I want an email from you with all your mailing information, etc., etc. The rules are, 18 or older, must be an open sub. I want in, must be in that comment. The drawing will be done again by Canadian Silver Saver. He will do the random pick. when I thought about trying to do it myself. I'm just so ignorant as far as doing videos is concerned. So we'll do it just like last time. It'll be just, you know, I'm kind of beside myself happy. You've all been so nice to me. From the posting of this, you now know the rules. I hope you all have a wonderful 2020. And as soon as I add another 500 subs, we'll be doing this again. So, take care. I love you all. And thank you so much.